Welcome. The find command can look for a single character, a word, or a group of words. It can also look for a whole group of words to make it easier to find things in a document. Word lets you search for things like headings or pages as well as words. So we'll see the steps in which we can use to find a word on Microsoft Word. First of all, make sure you are on the Home tab on your ribbon. Then in the editing group, you can scroll all the way to the right. Here you'll find the find icon. When you press the find icon, a navigation pane will pop up on your left. This is the navigation pane whereby you can search for any word on your document and press enter. For example, you want to find the word finance. Let's type it in, then you press enter. You can see finance pops up on your navigation pane as well as on your document. So that's how you find any word on your document, and the shortcut is Ctrl+F. Ctrl+F. You can use any method. Ctrl+F. The navigation pane pops up again with your word. Then you search for any word that you need to find.